Step number 3, the paid media engine. When building out your paid media engine, what you're going to want to have in place is an isolated variable testing process. And so for us at Untapped Revenue, this is the ad testing process that we follow. And so how it works is we start with 4 main tests. The offer test, which we covered in step 1, where we're basically picking 4 to 5 different offers and figuring out which one is responding best to the audience. We're then going to run a headline hook test, ad copy test, and a creative test. And so in phase 1, that's the offer test. That's what we went through in step 1. You can see here, the only thing we're changing is what I have circled here, which is the headline with the offer. Okay, that's it. And then what we're going to do is after each of those offers has gotten roughly 1,200 or roughly 1,100 impressions, we're going to see which one gets the cheapest cost per lead. From there, that's going to be determine the winner, and it's going to move on to the next phase of testing, which is the headline hook tests. Same situation here. The only thing that we're doing is we're replacing the actual hook. And so you can see here, this is the original winner, the 14-day core restore. We're now testing a 14-day tone and sculpt versus a 14-day full body revamp versus a 14-day slim down to figure out which headline hook is appealing the most to the audience. Same situation here. We're going to analyze the ad data after 1,100 impressions has been given to each of those individual tests, pick a winner, and then move to phase 3. This is a repetitive process, but we're essentially isolating one variable, figuring out what's working, and then moving forward with the testing. So in this case, you can see we have 3 to 5 different copies that we're testing. We're going to let them get 1,100 impressions again, and then we're going to figure out which copy was the winner and then move it into the last phase, which is the creative testing phase. And so at this point, we have a winning copy, we have a winning headline, and now we're trying to figure out what creatives are going to be working moving forward. Now, full disclosure with creative testing is this is an ongoing process.